In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contacts Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know how to add a new contact from within Google Calendar so their details are saved to Google Contacts and ready to use when you schedule events or send invites. Start by heading to google.com and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. In the top right, click the Google Apps grid, the small square made of 9 dots. From that menu, choose Calendar. This opens Google Calendar, where we'll access contacts from the built-in sidebar. Look to the right-hand side of the calendar screen. You'll see a vertical panel with icons. Click the Contacts icon to open the Google Contacts panel. If you don't see the panel, look for a small arrow to expand it. Depending on your setup, contacts may open in a side panel or in a new tab. Either way, the steps are the same. Next, choose Create Contact. This starts a blank contact form. Begin by typing the first name. Add the last name so the contact is easy to find later. If you work with organizations, fill in the company field. This helps you group people by employer and quickly identify who's who. Add the job title as well, which is useful context when you're planning meetings or sharing documents. Enter the email address carefully. Calendar invites rely on this email to reach the right person, so double check for typos before moving on. Add a phone number if you have it. Using a consistent format and including the country code if applicable makes it easier to call or message them from different devices. You can also add a birthday, which is optional. This can be handy for reminders or just keeping personal touch points in mind, but feel free to skip it if it's not relevant. The key is to capture the details that help you contact and identify the person at a glance. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new contact is now stored in Google Contacts and will sync across your Google apps. Back in Calendar, you can invite this person to events by typing their name or email in the guest field, and their information will autofill. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep entries consistent so you can search by name, company, or email later, and if you ever need to update a detail, open contacts again from the right panel, edit the fields, and save. That's it. You've added a contact from Google Calendar, and you're ready to schedule with confidence.